Hey everyone, I want to introduce the Mathis Brothers Credit Card on this video. So firstly, I want to give you information about Mathis Brothers Credit Card. Firstly, I want to say that uh, uh, no interest if paid in full within 12 months with this card. So on purchases made with your Mathis Brothers credit card, interest will be charged to your account from the purchase date if the promotional balance is not paid in full within 12 months. So minimum monthly payments required. And the second one is that qualifying purchase amount must be on one received. No interest will be charged on the promo balance if you pay it off in full within the promo period. If you don't, interest will be charged on the promo balance from the purchase date, and the required minimum monthly payments may or may not pay off the promo balance before the end of the promo period, depending on purchase amount, promo length, and payment allocations. Regular account terms apply to non-promo purchases and after promo period ends to the promo balance. For new accounts, purchase APR is 29.99% and minimum interest charge is $2. And existing card holders, you can see your credit card agreement terms. So let's talk about applications for um, Mathis Mathis Brothers Credit Card. As you see, I am on mysurfmoney.com page, and you can visit this website on Google. Search by typing Mathis Brothers Credit Card, and also I wanna show you the credit card image as you see it like that. And now let's talk about how to apply for this credit card. So as you see on the page, there is a login page on the right top of the page, and this is for signing to your account. And I think there is an application frame also, I think. Yes, as you see, I haven't logged in my account, and so I am a guest. So you need to type your username and password here, and then you need to click login button. But if you don't have already a card holder, you need to register for your Mathis Brothers credit card. So for this, you need to click the register link here. So, and then there is an application page here. So you need to type your account number, you need to type your last four digits of your SSN, and you need to type your date, your birth date. So, and then you need to verify your information, and you need to set up your profile, and you need to confirm your information. After this, you can have your Mathis Brothers credit card. So thank you for watching my video. See you, bye.